Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the December 2025 bargain bead box to share with you all today. Mine has come quite a bit later than it usually does. It seems to have made quite an interesting trip around the country before it got to me. I think all my boxes did this time. I guess it's because of the holidays, but it's here now and that's all that matters. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to kind of dump it out here and take a little peek and read the description. It looks like the theme is time traveler. So all kinds of really pretty beads. That's a, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a pocket watch pendant. Oh, that's cool. Take a step back in time with us through this delightfully demure, vintage-inspired collection. This month's selections include a working watch pendant, genuine freshwater pearls, luscious peach sunstone and moonstone, avocado green agate, shimmering champagne crystals, and antique bronze accents. See reverse for how to set watch. That's cute. And then under here is a 30% off coupon that you get if you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box, and you can use it in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. So this is everything that's in the box. It says estimated retail value for this shipment is $86.82. This is just a really great value box. So hold on, I'll get everything sorted out. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And the first thing is this really cool 41 by 27 millimeter pocket watch pendant with 30-inch chain. And that's just really cool. It had a little plastic thing under there, but I took it out so that I could open it. That's really cool. It's a working watch. That's really neat. Don't remember ever getting anything like this in the bargain bead box before. And then 30 inches of chain. That's really neat. Really cool. And then next is a 25 by 18.5 millimeter peach moonstone teardrop pendant. That's just really pretty. It's pretty thin. I mean, it's not going to break or anything, but I mean, if you were going to bezel it, it wouldn't take much to bezel it because it's pretty thin. Holes through there like that. And those little flecks in there from the moonstone. It's just really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 5 to 8 by 3 to 4 millimeter cultured freshwater pearl rice beads. Those are really pretty rice beads. Freshwater pearl. Really neat. And then next is a 15.5-inch strand of peach moonstone and sunstone nugget beads. Those are really pretty. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but Lily is laying on the chair behind me snoring, so if you hear that, that's what that is. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter champagne luster agate dyed and coated beads. These are just really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 6mm Alician agate dyed round beads. I think it says Alician. I've never seen that word before. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but those are really pretty. Really pretty color of green. Kind of an olive green, I think. And then next is a 5-inch strand of 8mm shell pearl man-made round beads in coral pink. And those are really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm plated hematite man-made faceted beads in deep bronze. Those are really pretty. Love all those facets. Really, really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in vintage peach mix. I really love these mixes of rondelles that they send. I can get them all together here. It's a very long strand. Just pile them all up in my hand there. Those are really pretty. A really long strand of beads. All kinds of pretty colors. All kinds of sparkle and shine on these. And then next is a 14-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted round beads in opaque coral. Those are really pretty. Add a little pop of color. And then next is a 9.5-inch strand of 6mm English cut crystal beads in champagne luster. Those are so pretty. So shiny, so sparkly. Love the English cut. Really, really pretty. And then next are 10 pieces 10mm porcelain round beads in vintage orange floral. Lily just jumped off the back of my chair, if you heard that. She's a big, heavy cat, and when she moves, you can, especially if you're sitting in the chair she's moving in, you can feel it. Those are really, really pretty. 10mm porcelain beads in vintage orange floral. Really, really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces 20x11mm brass filigree style round links. And those are really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. are 6 pieces, 13mm fancy 4-loop links. If I can get them all 6 in my hand without dropping them, y'all know how I am. There we go. The same on both sides. It's really, really pretty. And then next are 10 pieces, 8.5 by 6mm round drop charms. These are really cool. Kind of look like that pocket watch pendant. Really neat. There's 10 of those. And then 10 pieces, 9 by 8mm fancy coin spacer beads. These are really pretty. And then next are 40 pieces, 7mm scrolled bead caps. And that's what those look like. They're really pretty. Quite a lot of those, 40. And then last is a 17mm vintage style brass spring ring clasp. Don't get very many spring ring clasps. If I can get it open here. There we go. That's really neat. And a couple of little rings to attach it with on there. That's really cool. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the December 2025 bargain bead box called Time Traveler. These are some really beautiful beads and findings. Of course, they're always beautiful. I just really love the bargain bead box. It's a really great value. You get so many beads and findings, and you can make so many pieces of jewelry out of one box. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.